Hello and namaste everyone, and welcome back to the Kapeel Gupta Career PodShow, your go-to podcast for career and business insights served with a generous sprinkle of inspiration. And I'm your host, Kapeel Gupta, and today we are talking about something that's equal parts fascinating and practical: graphology, the science of handwriting, and how it's quietly transforming modern business. Picture this: you hire someone who dazzles in interviews, writes thoughtful emails, has a great resume, but something just feels off. Or maybe you're thinking about a business partner, someone with a strong track record, impressive experience, but deep down you're unsure about alignment and trust. Wouldn't it be incredible if we had a tool to peek past resumes, beyond interviews, and uncover hidden traits like honesty, leadership, anxiety, teamwork, creative thinking? And that's exactly what graphology aims to do. It uses handwriting to explore personality traits, confidence, loyalty, stress levels, even how easily someone gets distracted or whether they thrive in deadlines. So instead of relying on gut or guesswork, organizations are now turning to this ancient yet modern tool to solve hiring puzzles, boost employee retention, choose reliable partners, and finely tune leadership decisions. So, in today's fast paced world where remote work, global teams, and data driven strategies rule, graphology offers a unique human insight that can truly propel growth. And for Gen Z entrepreneurs and young professionals eager to stand out, knowing about this tool could be a game changer. So grab your headphones because today we're decoding how graphology powers business growth. And trust me, by the end, you'll be amazed at how the simple act of picking up a pen and studying handwriting can transform hiring, partnerships, and profits. So let's dive in. Hello all, I'm Kapeel Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. So now, let us begin with understanding the scope of graphology in India and abroad. And let me tell you a secret: handwriting is like a personal fingerprint. No two are the same. Graphologists analyze curves, angles, letter spacing, slants, loops, and pen pressure to map personality traits. In India, forward thinking companies across tech, finance, HR, and startups are beginning to integrate handwriting analysis into their hiring and evaluation process. Why? Because traditional methods, CVs, interviews, psychometric tests can miss red flags like unethical behavior, lack of team spirit, or hidden stress issues. And with graphology, many businesses are identifying those traits early and avoiding costly mismatches. So it's not just in India. In global markets like the US, UK, Germany, France, and Singapore, graphology is becoming respected in leadership evaluation, HR tech, and even forensic science. While European companies focus more on handwriting for recruitment and career planning, startups in Silicon Valley and Berlin are experimenting with AI powered graphology tools for remote teams. And between 2020 and 24, organizations using handwriting analysis reported higher employee retention, up by 20 to 30%, better team alignment, and measurable growth in profitability, thanks to fewer internal conflicts and better hiring decisions. And that's the power of pen and penmanship. So, now, what does a graphologist do? Say you're a business leader and want to evaluate your team or hiring candidates. You might ask for a handwriting sample, a short passage written on unlined paper under natural conditions without any prompts. So, a professional graphologist examines size of letters. Large handwriting often shows extroversion and confidence. Small handwriting suggests introversion, focus, and attention to detail. The spacing between words. Wide spacing can indicate independence. Narrow spacing can suggest sociability or reliance. And then talking about slants. Right slant means emotional expressiveness. Left slant can show restraint. Erect letters suggest emotional control. Then talking about loops and curves. For example, large loop in L or E might show openness or creativity, while angular shapes could suggest determination or even aggressiveness. Then line pressure. Heavy strokes may reveal high energy or tension, and light strokes suggest sensitivity or calmness. And then the base line, the base of all handwriting. Straight lines mean discipline, rising lines might show optimism, whereas wavy or descending lines might indicate stress or lack of stability. So, from this analysis, the graphologist builds a personality profile, highlighting traits relevant to roles like managers, creative leads, partners, or team members. So, organizations apply this service in a few ways. One, hiring. They assess personality traits before making job offers. Number two, team building. Leaders identify team dynamics, improve communication, reduce conflict. Number three, partner selection. Founders assess character and shared vision beyond CVs. The number four, performance evaluations. Track psychological traits, meaning stress, motivation, authenticity over time. And then risk management. Detect tendencies like dishonesty, entitlement, or lack of ethical grounding. So here's how graphology helps drive business growth. One, better assessment of employees. Interviews and CVs can only convey so much. With graphology, employers uncover deeper traits like ambition, ethics, focus, emotional resilience. Hiring becomes more strategic, no guesswork. Companies using this saw up to 25% fewer early attritions. Then, selecting business partners wisely. So, partner decisions often come down to trust and shared values, not numbers. Handwriting analysis reveals long term alignment with your vision, avoiding future disputes. Then, boosting profitability. Graphologists help spot internal risks like burnout or dishonesty. Identifying these issues early helps avoid fraud, cost leakage, and toxicity, leading to a leaner, more productive organization. Then retaining talent, understanding what drives each employee, whether autonomy, recognition, creativity, helps tailor roles, rewards, and interactions. Happy employees stay longer, resulting in reduced turnover costs. And number five, propelling business growth. Better hires, aligned partners, motivated teams, and fewer conflicts. What more does an entrepreneur need in his business? Combining these improvements and you supercharge growth. More sales, smoother cash flow, stronger internal culture. Graphology is a small investment with a big ripple effect. So, now let me share some vivid examples entrepreneurs have seen. Headlines in sales. A retail brand used graphology to hire store managers. The sales team hit targets faster and internal complaints dropped by 40% within months. Then, startup pivot. Founders were on the fence during two potential CTO candidates. Handwriting analysis helped identify the candidate who aligned better with their company values, leading to smoother decision making and long term partnership. Then, hidden conflict. A health tech company faced internal friction. Graphology revealed stressed personalities in mid level management. And with this insight, leadership introduced flexible schedules in mental health support, and morale improved by 30%. Then, leadership alignment. Graphology reports helped realign departments more suited to senior managers' strengths, each one taking roles that match their planning and people approach. Now, if this fascinates you, there's a clear path to becoming a trained graphologist. 1. Curiosity and observation. Love human psychology in detail. 2. Formal training. Accredited courses, certificate, diploma in graphology. And if anyone feels like, please connect with me. I'll get you connected with the right people. Then number 3, study psychology. Good knowledge of personality, mental health. Number 4, practice and supervision. Analyze real samples under mentor. Number 5, ethics and confidentiality. Personal data must be protected. And number 6, certifications and memberships. Bodies like IIG based in India, ASA based in US. Then number 7, experience in business context, internships, legal, HR sectors, and many more. And then last, continuous learning. Handwriting evolves with time and markers. So you can begin with 3 to 6 months courses, online or in person, and pair that with basic psychology or HR training. Over time, build a small consultancy within HR firms or startups. So, why should your Gen Z mind get excited? Because handwriting is your hidden CV, one that travels with you. It's a fresh, low cost edge that you can learn and apply quickly. It's tech friendly. Handwriting samples can be scanned, digitized, and even fed to AI for faster basic analysis. It's unique. Not everyone knows graphology, so it becomes your insider advantage in HR, leadership, or startup consulting. It's human. In a heavily digital world, graphology reconnects us with tangible personal traits, perfect for remote work and digital first teams. So, friends, graphology isn't magic, but it's powerful. A scientific tool that bridges psychology and business with practical outcomes. It's about understanding real people, avoiding risky hires, choosing the right partners, keeping your team happy, and scaling your business responsibly. Today, I invite every listener, whether you are a young HR professional, founder, or budding psychologist, to explore graphology. Sign up for a course and analyze handwriting from your team and watch the insights change how you hire, build, and grow. Start small. Add a handwriting analysis to your next interview process. Ask your partner to write a few lines during your next coffee session. Observe patterns, make decisions from a place of curated insight, not guesswork. And if you need these services, connect with me. Just mention interested in the comments below. Because this isn't just handwriting, it's your intuitive advantage in business and leadership. Drop a comment, start small, and begin seeing your team, partner, yourself in a whole new light. So, thank you for tuning in to the Kapeel Gupta Career PodShow. If today's episode changed your view even a little, please share with a friend or tag someone who would benefit from this new lens. Remember, your success is not just what you do, but who you truly are. So until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep writing your success story one stroke at a time.